Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. And today I'm going to talk about Ahaglow S Salicylic and Glycolic Acid Face Wash. I've already done a review in Hindi and this is in English. To watch in Hindi, please click in the description box below. So guys, this product is basically for those who are fighting with acne spots, acne marks, pigmentation and acne. Now, this face wash suits every skin type because I have the most sensitive and combination skin and it really didn't do any kind of side effect on my skin. Now, talking about the ingredients, it has salicylic acid 2%, glycolic acid 1% and aloe extract 5%, which is the basic key ingredients, and these are the whole ingredient list, which you can see is very less. So this is the mildest product that I have found. And one thing about this product is that it really works. Now how it works is that it has AHA formula, that is alpha hydroxy acid in it, which helps peeling the skin. Now it's not exactly chemical peeling, it does peeling, but it's very slow process and you'll hardly notice it. A very small layer of your skin starts peeling, like wherever there is pigmentation or wherever there are spots, it starts peeling off, and it takes a little bit time, so you need to be very patient with that. Talking about the price, I purchased this for $4.25, but believe me guys, it's really worth trying because it's a very different face wash. It's not like those regular chemical filled face washes. It's specially formulated for sensitive skin. Now it comes in this kind of bottle, and when you press, the foam comes out of it this way. So you can just take desired amount of foam, how much you want, and then you can use it. So it's not going to be messy or any kind of thing. You can easily take this and travel anywhere. Now talking about the precautions that you need to take while using this face wash is that you need to use a generous amount of sunscreen. The reason is that the skin gets exposed to sun because it's in a peeling process, right? So when it starts peeling, your inner layer of skin gets exposed to the sun, and which can be really harmful if it's exposed to UV rays. Next thing is, while you're using glycolic acid on your face, you have to be very careful with other cosmetics that you're applying. For instance, if you're using fairness creams or bleaching creams or any kind of things, be careful you don't do that. You don't do bleaching or you don't do any kind of facial exfoliating or anything, because this is going to work. Like, this is working its process slowly, it's working, it's exfoliating, it's peeling, it's cleaning, so you don't need to use any kind of product other than this product. So just be careful with this, and then you can see visible results. I assure you, you can see results. You'll start seeing that your face is kind of glowing a little bit, not much, but a little bit difference is definitely going to appear. So guys, you just have to be a little bit patient. I know it's very hard, but you have to be patient. And if you want to use any kind of creams for moisturizing, try using aloe vera gel or try using some natural and mild moisturizers that won't harm your skin. So that was all about Ahaglow S Face Wash. Even if you still have any kind of doubts, you can comment me in the comment section, and do like and subscribe my channel. See you in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.